Hello there. So today we are going to make barley with turkey, except I'm using chicken, and green peas. I got a personalized diet plan, eating plan. It's not a diet, it's an eating plan. So far I have my barley cooking. It calls for a 1/4 cup of dry barley. I'm cooking a little bit more so I have extras for later. I've got my chicken breast here. I don't have my basting brush. So I've got 1/2 tablespoon of oil here. It calls for canola. So we're going to brush that on there. Smidge of salt, smidge of pepper. It says to taste. We're doing actually to taste. We won't be using either one, but let's give it a little bit. Give it a chance. All right, there's most of that on here. Oven's preheating up to 400. Got my little stone bar pan that I'm going to use. I go ahead and throw it in there. It'll be okay. I'm a bad habit of putting things in early. And we are going to bake that for 15 minutes. Okay, got my barley timer going and my chicken timer going. And now, we want the internal temperature to be 165. We're going to let it cool for a little bit before we slice it, not too long. Got a pot of water here. This one is the one with the removable handle. This one's the Brilliance. Handle does not come off of that one. Once it boils, we're going to throw 3 tablespoons of peas in there. And we're going to cook them for 1 to 2 minutes, drain them, and then put them on a towel and pat them dry. Okay. Where am I putting my tomato? Turkey, canola oil, salt, pepper. Carefully paste the peas. Boiling water, let it cook. Drain the water. Mix the barley with the green peas and tomato. There's the tomato. I gotta chop up my tomato. So my tomato knife is in the dishwasher. Wish they still made this. It's the tomato core. You could use it on strawberries also. Just takes that core out nice and pretty. So, alright. Since we don't have a tomato knife, we'll use a different knife. Now chop it up. Tomato knife has is serrated, so it'll break through the skin without having to poke and then go back and slice. That is really this recipe. This is a serving for 1 person. Try something different. You're tired of the same old, so let's mix it up a bit. Okay. Alright, so when everything is done, I'll mix it in a bowl, or put it in a bowl, and we'll go from there. Alright, bye-bye.